Good afternoon, judges, teachers, and all friends. My name is Aldrich. I am fifth class, and I am 11 years old. Well, I will describe about orange. Oranges are round fruits. They are orange in color. Oranges are sweet and juicy. They cost around 10,000 per kilogram. Oranges are full of vitamin C. They are good of our immune system. We can eat them fresh or drink their juice. Oranges are a great snack. Thank you.
Aki.